David, do you have a moment? I need to discuss the infusion pump situation for Ward C. We're consistently running into issues.
Of course, Dr. Mihira. What's the latest? Is it the calibration problems again, or are we back to the battery life complaints?
Both, unfortunately, but it's more critical now. We had another incident this morning where a patient's medication delivery was significantly off schedule due to a pump displaying an error message mid-infusion. It wasn't entirely clear if it was user error or a device malfunction, but the nursing staff is losing confidence. The older models are proving unreliable, particularly with the newer, more viscous medications we're now administering. The current pumps struggle with precise flow rates for these higher concentration solutions.
Right. So the existing inventory isn't handling the new demands. We've certainly received feedback about the pumps being temperamental.
Exactly. We need to order new pumps, and I'm pushing for a model that offers better precision across a wider range of viscosities. The old ones require too much manual oversight, which diverts nurses from direct patient care and introduces risk. The finance department keeps citing budget constraints, suggesting repairs, but I argue that continued malfunctions and potential adverse events will be more costly in the long run. The immediate need is for devices that can accurately deliver specialized medications without constant recalibration. We also need user-friendly interfaces to reduce setup errors.
I understand, Dr. Mihira. So, the primary driver for this new order isn't just replacement due to age, but a functional upgrade for specific patient needs and safety. I'll get the procurement process moving with that justification.
Perfect. And please emphasize the need for robust error detection systems.
Asthma can feel like a heavy weight for a child to carry, but it is a journey that MIHIRAA will never have to walk alone. Understanding this condition is the first step toward making her feel empowered rather than restricted. Her school provides a supportive environment through specialized asthma education programs designed specifically for children. These initiatives use age-appropriate language to explain how her lungs work, often comparing them to tiny branches of a tree that just need a little extra care to stay clear. By participating in these school-based sessions, she will learn alongside her peers, which helps normalize her experience and builds her confidence in managing her breathing. To complement this school support, local healthcare providers are dedicated to ensuring she stays healthy and active. They will provide personalized guidance on the importance of staying consistent with her medications, ensuring her airways remain open and strong. These experts will also help identify specific environmental triggers, like dust, pollen, or cold air, and teach her simple ways to avoid them. MIHIRAA, a key part of this care involves mastering her inhaler technique, making sure she feels comfortable and capable whenever she needs it. With the right education and a team of caring professionals behind her, she can focus on just being a kid,